I have to take it steady on Airstream. It is blowing a gale. I've never known it this windy at the top. It is really, really windy. And there's the Rocky. Hopefully. Let's go. Ooh. Oh, forgotten how supple 150mm is. Oh, honestly, that feels so good. Oh, I have to take it a bit steady because of the wind. Oh, not used to the pedals. I got the V8s on here. I lost grip then. Okay. Oh, much prefer my E30 pedals. I got my 510 contacts on, and they're not digging into the pins on these V8s. Oh, so agile compared to a 29er. Walking pace. Oh, right. That was crazy. Oh, sound of creaking trees in here. Oh, no, I can't. Very soft. Yes. Got to wash these pedals, so I've really got to get my feet pointing up, toes up, because I haven't any grip off the pins. I know it's going to be very windy coming out of here, so I'm going to have to take it steady once I'm out. Oh, it's windy, isn't it? Oh my goodness. Honestly. That's so windy. You're getting blown all over the place. Great, well, he's holding up as I get up speed. Try and battle my way around till might climb back up and do K-jam or pucker if this open. That puddle went over my leg. Oh. I get right back over that wheel. Because there's such a short reach. Oh. Okay. Alright, let's get these up. Great. From Castle Valley, because it was on the other side. Oh, I might have spoken too soon. Nah, it's not too bad. Definitely the south was getting hit further. Can't make out the coast today. I'm trying to push the bike right, it wouldn't go. I'm lucky then. I am lucky. I went into a bit of a little dip. The wind is pushing me. Whoop. thing. Wow. The rain is going in my eyes, unfortunately. I'm just taking it steady. And the wind is horrible. Massive puddle from the rain yesterday. I'm wearing 510s that are taped up on the laces, and then I've got my tarmac mountain bike overshoe, waterproof overshoe thing, which are just helping. Oh, I'll tell you what, I'll move that in case someone doesn't spot it. Okay. Nice to have a backup bike when something goes wrong with, you know, your number one bike. You've got a number two, and this is always sitting in the bike room. I do keep it maintained, you know. Yeah, Seagull. Lovely neck on the back. Hillbilly, Specialized Hillbilly on the front. These are the overshoes I had on, and there's the tape that I put over. Look, dry. Bike is looking nice and refreshed, but did the job. Anyways, thanks for joining me on this edition, this wet and windy edition of the bike room. Oh, could definitely do with a coffee now. Anyway, see you on the next one. Bye.